Hi, Miss M7064. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, naman, sir. Good day. I am Mervin Alacio. I'm from Coplaza, Santa Maria, Pangasinan. I am 32 years old and I am single but I have three kids. My oldest daughter is 15 years old and my second son is 10 years old and my youngest son is 10 years old. I'm the undergraduate of PSU Santa Maria, Pangasinan of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. My experience here in Philippines is taking care of a 1 month old in the Coplaza Santa Maria, Pangasinan. And my experience in Taiwan is a three years caretaker, taking care of eldest men and women who's 93 years old and 96 years old. And I know how to cook Chinese food and Filipino food and how to clean the house.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores.
Yes,
So you have two different experience here in the Philippines and also from Taiwan,
yes,
right? And you are the one who taking good care of the elderly and also have experience taking care of a
yes,
newborn, right?
yes,
Okay, so since you have experience taking care of a newborn, you know how to take good care of a newborn.
yes, sir.
And it's okay to you to take care of a newborn,
Yes.
right? Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check her temperature and I check the baby if the diaper is full and I prepare the milk if the baby is hungry.
Okay, if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
I get the baby and sing a song, a lullaby, and uh,
Okay, despite of everything that you have done, you feed the baby, you check the diaper, you
yes,
also change or feed the baby or check the temperature, but doesn't stop to cry. What will you do?
I called her mother, my employer, to check her baby.
Okay, maybe that's the right thing you should do
Yes,
because
sir.
you don't know what is the medical history of the
Yes,
baby, right?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I heard of many beautiful places here in Hong Kong, and I want to more experience in Hong Kong. And I know that Hong Kong is one of the most beautiful country and highest salary.
Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
It depends of my employer if they want me as long as they want.
Okay, as long as your employer wants
Yes,
you to extend, so it is okay to you to be extended,
yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay, for sure. You already said that you know how to prepare Chinese food,
Yes,
right? Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
S- s- steam fish and steam vegetables and soup.
Okay, so are you willing to learn if your employer teach you how to prepare?
Yes,
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat.
yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hand too short.
yes, sir.
Can you promise not to use cell phone while working?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take good care of a baby or elderly.
Yes,
Okay, it is okay to you to learn their language.
yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
Hello, sir, and ma'am. I will promise to you that I will do my best to take care of you and especially to your kids and children and my responsibilities. Thank you, sir and ma'am. I hope you want me and give me a chance to be your helper. See you in Hong Kong.
Okay,
Thank
thank you
you.
very much, Miss Mary Jane. Thank you.
Thank you.